In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in GCash app. First of all, launch open GCash application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here GCash application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is simply enter your phone number. First of all, select the country code. Tap on the field of country code. Now you'll be able to select the country code over here. Tap on the country of your choice. Likewise, enter your mobile number. Make sure to enter the correct mobile number. Now once you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, in order to log into your account, you'll have to enter the MPIN. Input your 4-digit mobile personal identification number. Now, if logging in from a new device, you'll have to enter the OTP sent to your phone number. Check the SMS and enter the 6-digit authentication code. After that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in GCash app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.